So good morning all. Continuing with the unit number 6, that is case study of open source commercial BI tools. In today's session, we are going to learn about Oracle, IBM, Microsoft Business Intelligence suites and tools in the market. So this lecture is, in this lecture I am going to introduce some of the business intelligence softwares and tools that are frequently used in the industry, and they are made by the Oracle, IBM and Microsoft companies. So let's begin. I have one Word document. I am going to explain that some images are present in that Word document. So this is our first business intelligence software. The name of the software is SAP Business Intelligence. As you can see on the screen, sorry, as you can see on the screen, this is the dashboard of the SAP Business Intelligence, and this SAP Business Intelligence offer several advanced analytics solutions, including real-time business predictive analytics, machine learning, planning and analysis. And this business intelligence platform in particular offers the reporting and analysis, data visualization, analytic applications, office integration and mobile analytics. SAP is a robust software intended for all roles, that is IT, end user and management, and offers tons of functionalities in one platform. So you can refer this, you have to go to this sap.com to know more about this platform. Next is MicroStrategy. As you can see on the screen, the look of the MicroStrategy is like this. So systematic presentation of the data is present on the desktop, and it is also accessible on the mobile. So MicroStrategy is a business intelligence tool that offers powerful and high speed dashboarding and data analytics, which help monitor the trend, recognize new opportunities, improve productivity and many more. In this, user can connect to one or various, whether the incoming data is from spreadsheet, cloud-based or enterprise data software. It can be accessed from your desktop as well as on your mobile phone. So this is one of the BI platform wherein you can access the company's organizational data in systematic manner. So this is the name of the website, microstrategy.com. You can refer to this website for more detail about this MicroStrategy platform. Next platform is DataPoint. As you can see on this screen, every BI platform has different graphical user interface. It will look like in different way. And this graphical user interface will also have customization. You can customize this as per your requirements. So DataPoint is an all-in-one BI platform that facilitates the complex process of data analytics even for non-technical users. So DataPoint solutions enables data analysis and business users alike to easily integrate different data sources, perform advanced data analysis, build interactive business dashboards and generate actionable business insights. You can refer this datapoint.com for more information about DataPoint platform. Next is SaaS Business Intelligence. So it is the most popular offering is its advanced predictive analytics. It also provides a great business intelligence platform. It is a self-service tool that allows to leverage data and metrics to make informed decisions about their business. And using the set of APIs, you are provided with lots of customization options, and SaaS ensures high-level data integration and advanced analytics and reporting. So in this SaaS, it will mostly used for predictive analysis. This model is very good in this BI platform. For more information, you can refer to saas.com. Next is Yellowfin BI. You can look at this screen. Here it is the dashboard of this Yellowfish BI. It will look like this. So this BI tool and end-to-end analytics platforms that combines visualization, machine learning and collaboration. So this Yellowfin BI is using the machine learning. You can also easily filter through tons of data with intuitive filtering, for example, checkboxes and radio buttons. As well, open up dashboard just about anywhere. So it's more flexible. You can access this platform on mobile. You can access this platform on the desktop using the web pages. And one more advanced component added in this YellowBI is the machine learning. So more information you can find at yellowfinbi.com. Next is QuickSense. This is the look of the dashboard of QuickSense and is a product of Quick, a company also known for another business intelligence tool called the QuickView. You can use QuickSense from any device at any time. So the user interface of QuickSense is optimized for touchscreen and which make it very popular BI tool. So the touchscreen facility is added in this QuickSense BI platform. So big difference with QuickView is the feature storytelling. Users add their experience to the data, and by using snapshot and highlight making the right analysis and decisions has become a lot easier. So in this platform, user can add their stories. It will help at the time of customer relationship or to know the more about a particular product. You can go to quick.com. Next is Zoho Analytics. This use Zoho Analytics for depth reporting and data analysis. This is you can see over the dashboard of Zoho Analytics, and it is used for in-depth reporting and data analysis. And this BI tool has automatic data synchronization and can be scheduled periodically. This will help data integration. You can have periodic data collection, and this automatically do the synchronization of the data. You can easily build a connector by using the integration APIs, blend and merge data from different sources and create meaningful reports. This is the functionality of this Zoho Analytics. They have given more focus on the data integration. With an easy editor, you can create personalized reports and dashboards, enabling to zoom into important details. So more about this, you can go to zoho.com/analytics. Next is C-Sense. The dashboard of C-Sense is look like this. The C-Sense BI tool might be for you. This user-friendly tool allows anyone within your organization to manage large and complex data sets as well as analysis and visualize this data without your IT department getting involved. It lets you bring together data from a wide variety of sources as well, including AdWords, Google Analytics, and Salesforce. So you can get more detail about this on the csense.com. This is the Microsoft Power BI. As you can look at this dashboard, it will look like this. The kind of the dashboard will show you the different features of the organization. The name of the BI is Microsoft Power BI and is a web-based business analytic tool which excels in data visualization. In this, you can look at the data in visualization in proper way. It allows users to identify trends in real time and has brand new connectors that allow you to keep your game in campaign. Because it's web based, Microsoft Power BI can be accessed from pretty much anywhere. The software also allows users to integrate their apps and deliver reports and real-time dashboards. So this is again one platform, BI platform from Microsoft company. You can refer powerbi.microsoft.com for more information about the Microsoft Power BI. Next is Looker. In this, it will look like this. Dashboard is look like this as you see on the screen. So this is the data discovery app. Looker is another BI tool to look out for. This platform integrates with any SQL database or warehouse and is great for startups, mid-sized businesses, or enterprise-grade businesses. And some benefits of this particular tool includes ease of use, handy visualization, powerful collaboration features. Data and reports can be shared via email or USL as well as integrated with other applications, and reliable support. So this Looker will have ease of handling. You can handle this easily, and it's also having good features of data visualization and will have reliable support. For more about this, you can go to looker.com. Next is Clear Analytics. The dashboard of this Clear Analytics BI platform will look like this. And by looking at this dashboard, you can get the idea of different features in the organization, and you can guess the data analytics, whether it is in, or you will get the more insights of the data present in the organization. So where all Excel fan are there, the BI tool is an intuitive Excel based software that can be used by employees with even the most basic knowledge of Excel. So those who are very much friendly or those who are working in Excel, they can use this Clear Analytics. Whatever data present in Excel is used by Clear Analytics to perform the BI activities. So what you get is the self-service BI. system that offers several BI features such as creating, automating, analyzing, and visualization your company's data. So at the background, this Clear Analytics BI platform is using the Excel data. So you can refer Clear Analytics sbi.com. Next is Tableau. This Tableau is a BI software for data discovery and data visualization. With the software, you can easily analyze, visualize, and share the data without IT having to intervene. This Tableau supports multiple data sources such as MS Excel, Oracle, MS SQL, Google Analytics, and Salesforce. So these Tableau platforms will support different kinds of data sources. It will support Excel, Oracle, MS SQL, Google Analytics, and Salesforce. Tableau is free for personal use. However, if you want more, the price can go up quickly. So for personal use, you can use this Tableau. If you want to use it for organization, you have to pay the fee. This will give you something in return, well-designed dashboard that are very easy to use. Additionally, Tableau also offers 3 standard products: Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, and Tableau Online. So desktop is used for anyone, and Tableau Server for analytics for organization, and Tableau Online hosted the analytics for organization. So more about this, you can refer tableau.com. This is the Oracle BI. This is the business intelligence platform made by the Oracle company, and the dashboard of this Oracle BI is look like this. This is an enterprise portfolio of technology and applications for business intelligence. This technology gives user pretty much all BI capabilities such as dashboards, proactive intelligence, alerts, ad hoc, and more. Oracle is also great for companies who need to analyze large data volumes from Oracle to non-Oracle sources, and it is very robust solution. So Oracle is a big company in the market, and it will support different kinds of data sources as well. So it's more powerful to integrate the data from different sources, and the dashboard will look like this. For more about this, you can refer oracle.com. Next is Domo. The Domo will look like this. Domo is completely cloud-based business intelligence platform. So whatever data present in this, it will be stored on the cloud. That integrates multiple data sources including spreadsheets, databases, and social media. Domo is used by both small companies and large multinationals. The platform offers micro and macro level visibility and analysis. From cash balances and listing of your best selling products by region to calculations of the marketing return on investment for each channel. The only let down about Domo is that it is difficult to download analysis from the cloud or for personal use. That is the one limitation of the cloud. You need to have good bandwidth network and you can download that reports. So Domo is again their platform which uses the cloud platform to store the data and do the analytics. For more about this, you can refer domo.com. Next is IBM Cognos Analytics, and this is the dashboard of this BI platform. Its graphical representation is very good, and you can get the insights of the data easily. So Cognos Analytics is an AI-fueled business intelligence platform that supports the entire analytics cycle. So IBM has added the artificial intelligence into this platform. From discovery to operationalization, You can visualize, analyze, and share actionable insights about your data with your colleagues. A great benefit of AI is that you are able to discover hidden patterns because the data is being interpreted and presented to you in a visualized report. So this platform has used the advanced technologies, that is AI, has been added into their platform. So these are the different BI platforms in the market, having different companies including Oracle, IBM, and Microsoft. So what is the aim of this is you should aware about different BI platforms in the market, and you can now understand each BI platform having different features, and particularly